surprised when she left all your memories behind. She never said she was hurting, but what girl means it when they say they're fine? And she's crying, and she's dying for you to take her home. And she doesn't want space, she just wants to be chased, and for you to show her she's not alone. So don't wait and let her go, 'cause I don't wanna be the one who has to say I told you so. I told you so. I told you so. Of course she wants attention, 'cause you never mentioned how much she means to you. It shouldn't be news that she wants to be important to you, so don't play the fool. She's crying, and she's dying for you to take her home. And she doesn't want space, she just wants to be chased, and for you to show her she's not alone. But you already know that, so why you sitting back and waiting for her to change her mind, and telling yourself it'll be just fine when you know I'm right? She's crying, and she's dying for you to take her home. And she doesn't want space, she just wants to be chased, and for you to show her she's not alone. So don't wait and let it go, 'cause I don't wanna be the one who has to say I told you so.